a single product on Seller Center. The step-by-step process in Seller Center will require you to fill out various fields which will help you find your product on the Daraz website while also using the best content practices. Step 1. Log into Seller Center with your registered email ID and password. Then, Step 2. Go to the Product tab and click on Add Product. You will now arrive on the Add Product page. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will create a dress product listing on the Daraz. Step 3. Fill in the product details. Product information. For product name, use the following formula to name the product. This formula may vary for different product categories, so use all relevant keywords to make sure your product is found when customers search on the Daraz. Color plus material plus product name plus gender plus code. This is the formula that you can use to name your products on the Daraz. You can also add your product name in the local language by clicking on the Translate button. You can find more information on this formula via individual category guides on the Daraz University. For category, select the relevant category for your item. If the correct category is not selected, your product will not appear on search pages. Please view our category restriction policy to see which categories have been restricted on the Daraz. We now move on to product images. Upload images of your product. You can upload a cover photo and up to 8 images of your product. You can learn more about Daraz image guidelines by visiting Daraz University. Once you have added all the images you want, click on Confirm to upload. Congratulations! Your images have been uploaded. Next is product attributes. For a brand, input the brand name of the product. If your product does not have any brand name, then no worries, you can simply select No Brand. You can also request to get your brand created. Then select an age range for your product and occasion for when your product can be used. Click on More Attributes to add more details of your products. You can learn more about brand creation from our brand creation tutorial on the Daraz University. Please also view our restricted brands list on the Daraz University to find out which brands cannot be sold on the Daraz without authorization. And if you wish to sell a branded product, you must provide a brand authorization letter. Moving on to detailed description, buyer promotion images. You can add multiple promotional images for your products, such as white background image, long image, and then for product highlights, you can input the top highlights or key features of your products. These key features are the first specifications of your product that will be seen by your customers. So if you input generic key features such as premium quality, soft material, daily wear, your product will not stand out from the other products, and it will make it difficult to convert visitors into customers. Your product key features should be specific and mention details like size is either small, medium, or large, color, whether it is black or brown, fit, whether it is slim fit, regular fit, loose fit, what kind of pattern it is, a box pattern or checkered, what type of collar the product has, a button-down collar, spread collar, material composition, whether it is cotton or spandex, or types of cuffs if your product has cuffs. Next we have the description. For product description, fill in the description and related content of your product. This is the part which will set you apart from your competitors, so you should add detailed content of your product, which can include detailed size chart, allowing customers to get a better idea of the fitting of your product. Detailed close-up shots of your product, which will highlight the excellence of stitching quality as well as showcase the quality of the material used in your polo shirt. You can also fill in some details about the brand itself. This adds prestige to the brand and will add more value to your product. You can also use the advanced editor feature to add your product description. Through this feature, you will be able to add pre-made templates to showcase your product even better. Next, we have variants for price and stock. In the variation section, you can add multiple variations of your product. You can fill out the following information about your product's variations. Select the size or sizes of your product that you want to sell on Daraz. For color family, you can add the color variations that are offered in your product and add images of them with additional and clear poses. Add your product images of the respective colors of your product and then add an existing size chart or create a new one. You can view how to create a size chart on Daraz University. Moving on to price and stock. Input the price you want to sell your product at. Then input the quantity of your product. And finally, input a unique seller SKU to identify your product to you. If you want to keep the same quantity and price for all variations, click on Apply to All. You can also add a special price or sale price for your products and select the duration of the sale price. You may also fill in any additional information about the individual SKUs in the given fields. Next is service and warranty. Select warranty type if your product comes with warranty, and then mention the package weight for delivery, and then package dimensions, where you will have to input the dimensions of your package. Next, you will have to input the package dimensions of the packaging material, such as flyers or boxes ordered from Daraz. Then click on Yes. Step 4. Finally, click Submit. Your product is now created and will be reviewed by our quality control team within 2 business days. Once approved, your product will be visible on the Daraz website with all of the content you have mentioned in your product description and other fields. To view your published product, go to the Products tab, click on Manage Products. Your product is successfully published on the website. Here are some tips for you to remember.